they're supposed to be muffins, or they're good.
Second out. Darius Barnes hit for the false starts. We check in with Rob Stone.
You're being taped, Wiley.
Two main points. Got to take better care of the
Video
ball, stronger
tape.
defense in the red zone.
Nikki, did you see the ball?
Up-tempo offense, right, guys?
Look
We're
at
just
it.
going
It's
out.
covered if you're talking
Where
about
are you
the
up-tempo
Yeah.
to your liking in the
We're
first
pretty
half?
much clogged
He said
in.
probably 40%. He wanted to be at
Did you
about
get up?
75%. Right at
Did you
Louisville.
get up?
Also, some of this doing it to
Big
themselves.
thick guy. I don't see a big Jimmy with all the big fuel.
Pass complete to Pierce for the first down, and he is chased out of bounds at about the 41-yard line. Shinar Bolton there to run out.
That was a nice job by quarterback Austin Davis, trusting his receiver because that ball was out before the receiver turned around in his route. Look at the ball's out. Turns around. It's there.
Sure, I'm just all excited about it. He's sending emails all around. Don't miss it.
Rick Hardy picks it up.
I just love that stuff.
45-yard
Are you
line.
done?
Pick up of 3, maybe 4.
So one Saber can eat.
No.
That was a Saber.
As a former offensive lineman, I wasn't really crazy about the hurry-up offense. I like that slow it down, go to the huddle, call the play.
Give that one a Saber. Wiley will throw it up.
Tempo not really that fast right now. They get lined up quickly with their
Got the
methodical check in the sideline.
beeper program, so it works on our TV set now. Be happy to hear. Took me a long
Let's see what's
time.
on 42.
Territory, the opening drive of the second half moves into Cardinal hands, the Golden Eagles.
But here's what you don't realize. When they get lined up quickly, the defensive line
Gone in 60 seconds, yeah.
Oh, well, forget that.
You're doing well.
Sorry, Cal.
Uh-oh.
I'd like to fix your injury.
Guy doesn't seem to work.
I love that dream.
No guy. Wow. Problems.
Rain. Memphis Reigns, huh? I know you. Well, you should know me considering all the business you just screwed up for me in the past, baby. Johnny B, that's me.
What can I do for you?
Well, I'm gonna tell you what you can do for me, baby. Get out of Long Beach tonight.
I'll be gone in 3 days. I'm just here on some family business.
Word on the street said Raymond Calitre had you and your brother for a top order. An order that should have went to me.
It's not the way it went down, Johnny.
The dollar signs got bigger because the gun functions. Yeah.
We're gonna have to figure out why the guy doesn't work
the
now.
real deal here. Something that's seen history.
It's worth 300 to me right now.
I don't know how you're feeling, Tom, but 300 feels low. I mean, to me, $300, it's gorgeous.
Well, since I'm gonna have to do some restoration work on it, I go 3 1/4.
I was hoping to get right around 450 for it.
I like 450.
What is this?
Some auction hunters.
I'm pretty excited to bring my trains to show off to George. He knows his stuff when it comes to trains.
70, 80 bucks.
You'll not have these. These are 4 generations old.
I've gotta make some money. I could go onto a site and go, I like to play soccer, and maybe I'll get 5,000 women that like to play soccer. Fantastic, but so what? If that's all I have in common, it better be the World Cup all year round, or we're going to be in trouble. There's no click. There's nothing deeper than that. With eHarmony, everything's so to the core. I think you stand a much better chance of meeting someone you really connect with, and that's more important to me than anything, you know.
Review all your matches for free at eharmony.com.
Someone named Terry says I need you right now.